Well, we have another question here, question 5. The question says that sketched below are the graphs of f of x equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16 and g of x equal to 2x plus 4. A and B are the x-intercepts of f. C is the turning point of f. Now, question 5.1 says calculate the coordinates of A and B. 5.2, determine the coordinates of C, the turning points of F. Okay, let's first do 5.1. Like 5.1. I want to write here 5.1. The question says calculate the coordinates of A and B. So we need to find A and B. A is x, y. A and B are the intercepts, as we can see them here. Are the x-intercepts, so as we can see, the A is there and then B is there. The x-intercept assume that y equal to 0. So if this is x and then there is 0, and then B is like that, x and then also 0. Now, the x-intercept, x-int, simply means that y equal to 0. So we're gonna set y equal to 0. So f of x is like y equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16. So we're gonna set y equal to 0. And then this will be negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16. Now we notice that each term here is a multiple of 2, so we can divide the whole equation by, let's divide by 2, or the term by 2, and then this will become 0 equal to negative x squared plus 2x plus 8. So if I move the right hand side into the left hand side, this will become like x squared minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So we can solve this by factorization, okay? I'm gonna write x in the bracket like that, and then equal to 0. So let's consider the last term, negative 8. There, I'm gonna write negative 8. The factors of negative 8 are like 1 and 8, 2 and 4, and that's all. Now, how can we get from these factors a couple equal to the coefficient of the middle term, negative 2. Now let's see. With 1 and 8 we cannot, but with 2 and 4 yes we can. If it's like plus 2 and negative 4. And it is also true that positive 2 times negative 4 equal to negative 8. So we can just place in over here plus 2 and then negative 4. So over here it means that x plus 2 equal to 0, or x minus 4 equal to 0. So we can move x over, like x is equal to negative 2, or x is equal to 4. Clearly, we can see that x here is the coordinate of the point A, because this is A is situated at the negative x axis. So there we're going to write negative 2 for A. And then B is 4 because it is on the positive x. So here is the coordinate of the point A, negative 2, 0. And the coordinate of the point B is 4, 0. Okay. The next question is question 5.2. The question says that determine the coordinates of C, the turning points of F. So C is this point here. The turning points. So we can find the turning points in different ways. Okay, let me just move my board over here. We have like 5.2. So we're looking for the coordinate of C. Okay, the turning points. Now we can get the turning points if we, in this case, if we use like XTP equal the average of the coordinates of the x-intercept. So if we do x plus x1 plus x2 all over 2. So here it's much easier. We can just say xTP would be equal to -2 plus 4 over 2, and then this is equal to 1, okay? xTP. Or someone else, another easy way is like to use x is equal to minus b over 2a. You know, that makes x equal to minus b is the coefficient of the x term, so 4. So 4 over 2a. A is the coefficient of the x squared, so minus 2 there, and then this will make also this equal to -4 over -4. That makes x equal to 1 still. So the x turning point is still 1. Now, you know, we need to find the corresponding y value to the turning point. So we will substitute this answer that we get here into the main equation. Okay, so we will write like, because f is y equal to -2x squared plus 4x plus 16, we write like y will be equal to -2x squared plus 4x plus 16. And then instead of x, we sub in the value of x, just 1. And then this will be equal to -2 plus 4 plus 16. And then this is equal to 18. Then we get the value of C. So C is, therefore, C is the point 1, 18. Okay. The next question is question 5.3. The question says, write down the range of f. Okay, the range are all the acceptable y value. So of f, we can see that the equation f here has a maximum value, which is the turning point, the y value of the turning point, positive 18. So it's all the values lesser than that. More than 18 is it's beyond the graph. Okay, so we will say 5 points. You can just write the answer there. Okay, over here, this will be to write y is lesser than or equal to 18. Okay, and the following question is 5.4. Well, the question says that the graph of h of x equal to f of x plus p plus q has a maximum value of 15 at x is equal to 2. Determine the values of p and q. Okay, let's move this like this. Excuse me. So now write my question here. 5.3 or 5.4 now. So we're looking for the values of p and q. Given that h of x, in your graph, h of x equal to f of x plus p plus q. So and then it is also said that the maximum value of 15 at x is equal to 2. All right. So when they say it has a maximum of a maximum value of 15 at x is equal to 2, it means that this graph, note that h of x, it is itself a parabola, okay? Because it is the equation of f shifted to certain units to shift the certain units horizontally and vertically. Okay, so it still is a parabola. So h of x, for instance, has like the highest point at so we say the highest point is 15 when x is equal to 2, so it's going to be 2 and 15 here. Okay, now our initial graph has turning points at 1, and then the highest point was 18 when x was equal to 1. Okay, this is for h, and then this is for f. Okay, so now we need to find the value of p here and q. Note that p and q determines the shift. Okay, so it means from 1 here to 2, it means that we plus 1. Okay, we plus 1, but remember this is the horizontal shift. Okay, and then from 18 to 15 here, meaning we minus 3. So if I need to write this, okay, from 1 to 2, it means that it is shifted 1 unit to the right. 1 unit to the right means that p equal to -1. Okay, so this means p equal to -1, not +1, because +1 is shift to the left. Okay, and then q will be 3 units downwards. Okay, so q will be equal to -3. So those are the value of p and 3. Correct. And now the following question is question 5.5. Let's see. Question 5.5 says determine the equation of g minus 1, the inverse of g in the form y equal to. Okay. Move my board over here. 5.1. 5.5. So we're looking for g minus 1. Okay, in the form y equal to ... All right. Initially, g minus 1 was given by what? Let's see. G, first of all, the function g is given by, oh yes, by 2x plus 4. Okay, so you can write here y equal to 2x plus 4. So g minus 1 is where we will switch the variable x with the variable y. So instead of writing y, you write x equal to 2y, okay, 2y plus 4. So now move a little bit this way because I need space. Over here, we say I'm going to reverse the order. So 2y plus 4 equal to x. So if I move the 4 over, we'll have 2y equal to x minus 4. Now to find the value of y, we'll divide each term here by 2. And then that makes y equal to a half x minus 2. So therefore, yeah, that's g minus 1. G minus 1. So g minus 1 is a half x minus 2. Correct. And then question 5.6 is the following question. 5.6, what does it say? Oops, a bit fast. Okay. question 5.6, it says that for which value or values of x will g minus 1, okay, of x times g of x equal to 0? Well, let's see. So we're looking for the value or values of x, okay, for which g minus 1 of x times g of x equal to 0. So this is simple because it means we're gonna set g minus 1 equal to 0 or g of x equal to 0. So g minus 1 equal to 0 means g minus 1 is a half x minus 2 equal to 0. If I move the negative 2 over, that makes a half x equal to 2. And then to get the value of x, I must times here by 2, I times there also by 2. And then this will make x equal to 4. Okay? And then g of x equal to 0, g of x was given by 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So if I need to move find the value of x, I move the negative, the positive 4 over, it becomes negative 4. And then I'll divide each term by 2. And then we get x equal to negative 2. So those are the values, the possible values. So if x is equal to 4 and x is equal to negative 2 respectively for g minus 1 and g of x, the product here will be 0. Now comes the last question. Question 5.7. Okay. Let's see. Question 5.7. Well, the question says that if p of x equal to f of x plus k, determine the value or values of k for which p and g will not intersect. Okay, if p of x equal to f of x plus k, determine the value or values of k for which p and g will not intersect. Now let's move the board over here. So over here we're looking for the value of k, okay, such that p of x being equal to f of x plus k, and then p of x, or let's just say p, yeah, p of x will not intersect with g of x. Now let's find those values. So f of x is given by y equal to we had f of x y equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16. Okay, this was f of x. Now f of x plus k will then become y equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16 plus k. Now this is this part. F of x plus k is p of x. Now g of x, I don't know why I put prime here, but I shouldn't. I really wanted to put prime, but just say f of x. That's all. Okay. G of x then is given by y equal to g of x, we given by 2x plus 4, okay, in the equation. So f of f was given by that. So if we work out f plus k, f of x plus k will be, we add k next to this, and then g of x is given by that. Now, we want to find the value of k for which p of x and g of x will not be equal. So in other words, let's set them equal first, and then eliminate those values. So when I do this, negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16 plus k equal 2x plus 4. So if I move excuse me, if I move the right hand side into the left hand side, this will become negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16 plus k minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, like terms, we have like negative 2x squared, and then terms with x, we have like 4x and negative 2x, and then 16 and negative 16 and negative 4, that makes positive 12 equal to 0. So if I divide each term of, oops, where's k? Sorry, plus k equal to 0. So I cannot divide by negative 2 here. I must leave it like that. Now, what I can do then, if I need to find the value of k, now, if I need to find the value of k, I need to use the discriminant then, okay? Delta is equal to, because this is a quadratic equation, okay? And then it has a solution. So it won't have a solution. Won't have a solution, it means when there will be, they won't meet, okay? So if the discriminant delta is lesser than 0, okay? And then delta is given by b squared minus 4ac. So we're gonna set it equal to 0, lesser than 0. Okay, so over here, a is negative 2, b is also negative 2, and then c is 12 plus k. So if we want to use that formula of the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac less than 0, so it's going to be like b squared minus 4ac less than 0. So b is negative 2, b squared minus 4a is negative 2, and then c is, oh, I won't have enough space for c. Let me just erase this part here, and then 12 plus k, and then this will be lesser than 0. So this will make what? 4 plus 96, because I did negative 4 times negative 2 is 8. 8 times 12 is 96, and then 8 times k is plus 8k, must be lesser than 0. Now that makes 100 plus 8k lesser than 0. So if I move 100 over, well, like 8k would be lesser than negative 100. And then we divide here by 8, we divide there also by 8, and then that makes k is lesser. That will make k is lesser than 100 divided by 8 is by 4 is 25, by 2 again, so it's 25 over 2. Okay, 25/2, or we can write it k is 12.5, less than 12.5. So this is the solution. Thank you.